In this video, I have moved myself from the kitchen into the bathroom. And the reason for that is not that I will start making videos about bathroom installations. No, it is simply because in this video, I will show you how you can use fridge cabinets for bathroom vanities. As you can see, they look fairly well. We have two big drawers, even with light in, and to the very right, there's even a high pantry cabinet. And if you're wondering why I'm using the fridge cabinets and not the bathroom line from Ikea, I will share that with you as well. Let's get started. Before we get to the why, I want to spend a little moment describing to you what the client wanted to have in her bathroom. And what you see in this sketch is the result of many hours of planning. There's a drawer to the left, there's a drawer in the middle, and to the right we have a pantry-style cabinet with also a drawer at the bottom. And then the client wanted to have a faucet that comes out of the wall, like you see here, and also a little shelf on top of that box right there. So let's look at why I decided to use fridge cabinets for the bathroom. To get a very long story a bit shorter, I really couldn't get the vanities from Ikea for the bathroom to fit the room in the way the client wanted. Also because of the faucet coming out of the wall, and we couldn't put the plumbing in the wall, so we have to build another wall outside the existing wall to make all this work. So I came up with another solution, which I think that works pretty well. The first thing we had to consider was the depth of the cabinets, because a bathroom vanity is normally around 21 inches, whereas the fridge cabinets or the other base cabinets from Ikea, they are 24 inches deep. So something had to be done. I could either push them into the wall, which is not that easy, but I could also cut them back in the depth. However, I did not want to cut them back in the depth because we want to use the full depth of the cabinets for the drawers. So I came up with another solution where I actually kind of pushed them into the wall, and then again not, because I built out the wall a little bit. But not all of it, only two sections, as I will explain to you right now. My sketches are not that well, so I hope you can visualize what it is I'm aiming at. But what you can see here is my empty room where I want to build two boxes. The first box is sitting on the floor and is running across from wall to wall. And the height of that box is the height I want to have from the floor to the underside of my cabinet. So it depends on how high you want your countertop to be at. In this bathroom, the sink will be sitting on top of the vanity top. And that means that the height of that vanity is a bit lower than usual, because otherwise you'll have to be tiptoeing if you want to wash your hands. The purpose of this box will be to carry the cabinets, because the cabinet will not be sitting on the floor like we do in a normal use of these kitchen cabinets. No, the cabinets will be lifted away from the floor, and now we have this solid foundation on which we can rest the cabinets. The other box, the one you can see here, actually have three purposes. The first purpose is to reduce the available depth of the countertop, because we are using 24 inches deep cabinets, remember. And by building out that box a bit, we can reduce the depth, so we come down to the normal size of a vanity. Second purpose is that this box will host all the plumbing stuff that sits inside the wall for the faucet. And in this bathroom, the pipes are coming up through the floor in the lower box, runs into the cabinets where we can put some valves on, and then further up into the upper box. And the last purpose is as it will act as that shelf that the client wanted to have in the bathroom. And if we just add the second cabinet where we will have a drawer and the pantry cabinet, then you can see that the reason for this box, the upper box, is not going all the way over is because the pantry cabinet will be sitting there. So otherwise that box will be in the way. So this is how it looks when the two fridge cabinets are sitting on top of the lower box, and the pantry cabinet is tied into the side of it, and in between there will be a panel. And now all the details have been figured out. It's time to build it. And I gotta tell you, honestly, it was not that easy, but the client was very happy. And that's important. if this is something you could consider doing, just check these pictures, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments section, and I will get back to you at some point. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope you got inspired to see how it is possible to use the section cabinets or the method cabinets for other rooms than the kitchen. Thank you for watching.